Struggling to pick the perfect productivity tool? Today, we're breaking down Rize, Motion, and Notion in a quick showdown to help you decide which one's right for you. Let's dive in. First up, we have Rize. Rize is an AI-powered time tracker for personal productivity. It automatically logs your computer activity, categorizes time spent on apps or websites, and offers real-time focus coaching. With features like distraction blocking and a flexible Pomodoro timer, it's perfect for freelancers or solo users who want data-driven insights to boost focus and build better work habits. Next, Motion. Motion is an AI-driven task and scheduling tool that acts like your personal assistant. It auto-schedules tasks based on priorities and deadlines, integrates with your calendar, and uses time blocking to keep you on track. It's ideal for busy professionals or small teams of 5 to 20 who need streamlined scheduling and light project management. Finally, we have Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, databases, task management, and collaboration. It customizes templates, Kanban boards, and wikis, make it a powerhouse for teams of 50 to 250 of individuals who love organizing complex projects and knowledge bases. It's less about scheduling and more about flexibility. So, how do they stack up? Here's the breakdown. Rize shines for solo, focus, with automatic time tracking. Motion's your go-to for AI scheduling and small team efficiency. Notion dominates for customizable project management and team collaboration. Check out this chart for more details. The verdict? If you're a freelancer needing focus, pick Rize. For automated scheduling and small teams, go with Motion. For complex projects or large teams, Notion's your best bet. Try them out and find your fit. That's it, guys. Which tool are you leaning toward? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you next time.